Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The look in front of you is the one that I've created today. So without further say, let's get into the videos. First of all, I'm going to use the Maybelline primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a light concealer for some spot correction on my face. This one that I'm using is from DV3. I'm applying this with the help of a fluffy brush, and after that I'm going to blend it with the Damp Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to use this big Glam Vista palette for my eyeshadow. I've taken a pink color in my crease and above my crease, and I'm blending it with the help of a big fluffy brush. Next, I'm just going to darken up my outer V with the help of an orange shade with the help of this flat brush. And now I'm just blending it all in with the help of this fluffy brush. Then adding some of the darker pink on my lids. Coming to my lower lash line, I'm going to put the same pink and orange shade mixed together with the help of a flat brush and blend it all in. Now I'm using the Maybelline concealer to just conceal all the areas with dark spot and hyperpigmentation and dark circles on my face. I particularly just love this concealer. This gives me a beautiful coverage and this covers all the blemishes, dark circles and hyperpigmentation going on my face. I personally just love it. After that, I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend it all in so that it looks even and does not look patchy. Now I'm using the True Match L'Oreal foundation. This foundation is amazing. It's amazing. It's so natural. It has a beautiful coverage and it looks very nice, and it's really lightweight. So I've just put it in the dots, and using the same beauty blender, I'm going to blend it all in on my face. It's beautiful, to be honest. As you can see, the coverage is beautiful. It blends so nicely. It just blends heavenly. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Gloss eyeliner and making a wing. And I'm coating my lashes with the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. This is a new mascara that I've used and it's really pretty. Now it's time to give some life to this face, so I'm adding some bronzer to the areas where I want some shadow. I'm not contouring today, I'm just simply bronzing my face with this lighter brown shade in a way that it shows some shadow on my face and makes it look more lively. Taking the small flat angle brush, I'm going to contour my nose. I'm using the same contouring shade and I'm going to draw two lines at the sides of my nose and then going to blend it all with my fingers. बहुत ही lightly lines को बनाना है, harsh नहीं लगना चाहिए, otherwise वो बहुत खराब लगता है फेस पे। तो बहुत ही हल्के हाथ से हम lines को draw करेंगे और उसके बाद उसको blend कर देंगे इस तरीके से। After that, this is the favorite part. I love this part. I love applying blush on my cheeks and nose. I always do that, so I just love it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just bringing some life and happiness on my face by putting on some blush to it. Once the blush is done, I'm going to use this in color highlighter on my face. I'm going to use it on the apples of my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead as well. Look at that, the glow from inside. It looks so damn pretty, I tell you. I really enjoy this highlighter and I'm a big fan of this highlighter. It just gives that glow, that perfect sheen that my face needs. I'm curling my lashes right now with a lash curler because I want my lashes to look natural but fluffy and full at the same time. Now using this Disco Diva lipstick from Westside, I'm going to put it on my lips. This is the Studio West lipstick. You can get it in any Westside store or online on their website. And to this I'm going to add some Color Bar lip topper. This is like the lip gloss. It's beautiful and I'm just going to add it to conclude the look. And finally an accessory, that is my bindi, that will put this look together. And voila, we are done for this look. I love it. So guys, this is the final look in front of you all. This is the first look I've created in 2021. This is very easy to create, simple step-by-step makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I hope you all are having a fabulous 2021. And I wish you all a lot of love and good luck for the year ahead. I love you all so much. And if you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe it with your makeup squad. And yes guys, I love you all. See you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.